everybody, I'm Karen Danielson. I'm the Director of Marketing for Parsons and ECS, and I'm here with Seth, who's one of our designers, and Wyatt, one of our interns. Thank you guys for joining us. I appreciate it.
No problem.
So what we wanted to do was just kind of talk to you. I happened to be walking by and I saw that you were working on some of this really cool stuff here, Wyatt. What are you working on here?
On the left screen here, we're working on AGI. This helps us place our lights and helps us with the lighting calcs and seeing how bright it is in each area. So it helps us figure out which aluminum package we can use and what light to put there. And then we eventually end up transferring it to the AutoCAD for more of the layout.
Sure.
And where everything's at.
So for somebody like me who maybe doesn't understand what all this design software is, what is it?
So AGI is a program we use to do lighting calcs. So that's just kind of understanding how bright a space is going to be before you've actually installed the lights, which is kind of nice to know.
Okay.
And then AutoCAD is our drafting program. We use that to place everything on the drawings and to do the circuiting and kind of show where everything's going to be.
Oh, really cool. So what types of projects do you use this software for?
We use AGI for lighting projects, and then AutoCAD we use for all of our projects for panel replacements or new construction or lighting projects, or basically all of our projects we use our drafting program for.
Oh, okay. And once you have these projects done, what are the actual plans being used in the field for, and who's using them?
Mostly our electricians are using them. They're getting a lot of their information and details where it helps them understand where things need to go and where they should be mounted, and all of those details we put on our drawings. And then at the end of the day, when we hand over a new building, those construction drawings go to the building owner for their use.
Okay, and we were talking previously, and you had mentioned something about record keeping. How are these used for that?
Yeah, when you're looking at the life cycle of a building, it can be pretty long. So projects are constantly happening inside of a building. Things are being remodeled, and it's nice to know where you left off, and so you can start a new project.
Oh, sure. And Wyatt, have you ever used anything like this before?
No, I'm not a big computer guy, so this is new for me.
Yeah? How'd you learn to use the software?
Our designers here, Mitch and Seth, really taught me how to work AGI at first, and then it took me kind of a week to get used to and ask questions and figure it out, and then it's kind of, you keep asking questions, you keep learning more.
Sure. So you had no experience with this software before you came here, and then you learned it all on the job?
Yeah, not at all. I'm not an expert, I wouldn't say.
Sure.
I'm learning a lot.
What do you mean? You're not just going to go like start your own business and start designing stuff?
I don't think so.
And how's it feel knowing that something that you've designed is being used in an actual project that ECS is working on?
It's actually kind of rewarding, and I think it's a great experience for me for how little experience I've had with this stuff, and actually knowing that you're contributing to something and making it easier for someone, it's kind of rewarding.
Yeah, it sounds like a really good collaborative team approach, you know, where you guys get a piece of it and then it gets handed off to another team and so on and so forth. So kind of need one hand to wash the other almost. Anytime I have a project, I'll call you. Design it up for me. Well, at Parsons and ECS, we have a summer internship program where our interns rotate through all the different divisions that we have, just so you can get a breadth of, or an idea of the breadth of services that we offer. So here you're at ECS, what's next on the docket for you?
Pre-construction, learning about more like project management and that kind of thing, so I'm excited to learn about it.
Sure. Well, I hear you're amazing. Is there anything I can say that would make you want to stay here?
Not at the moment.
No.
I'm committed to go into pre-con.
Pretty excited to go test out some of our other business areas, huh?
Exactly. I can always come back.
Yeah. Well, yes, you can. We'd be happy to have
Hopefully.
you. Right. Well, if you or someone you know is interested in working or interning for ECS or Parsons, check us out online at www.e-c-s.com/careers or www.parsonscorp.com.